Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the numerical methods. So kindly refers to chapter 3 where we have numerical method. So there are 3 parts in chapter 3. Number 1, solutions of non-linear equation. So kindly refers to the notes. At the end of this topic, student able to locate the approximately of a root of an equation. Number 1, we have a graphical consideration or searching for a sign change. Then kindly take notes, find the initial value of x0. So that will be the first part. As for the second part, where we have the Newton-Raphson method. So what is the usage of the Newton-Raphson method? The usage of the Newton-Raphson method is to find the roots by the Newton-Raphson method with the formula where we have x sub n plus 1 is equals to xn minus with the function f with the substitution value x sub n over f prime with the substitution value x n, where the n must be an integer where we have 1, 2, 3 and ellipsis. Part number 3, where we have the trapezoidal rule. So in here, what is the usage of the trapezoidal rule? The purpose of having the trapezoidal rule is to find the area under the graph. So use the trapezoidal rule to approximate. So meaning that it is not an exact value, it's just an approximate, the definite integral, or you may say it, area. So kindly take note, the n is the strip, subinterval or parts. So we cover about n less than equals to 4. So means that the maximum strip that we have must be 4 or less than 4. So number 2, you may use the scientific calculator. So number 3, the final answer is up to 4 decimal places. So means that it might be 4 decimal places where we have 4 significant figure or 3 significant figure and so on. So now let's move on to 3.1 where we have the solution of non-linear equation. So here they mention that find the roots of the following equation. So given 4 equation, so where we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. The second one will be x cubed minus 8 equals to 0. The third one is x to the power 3 minus exponent x equals to 0. And the number 4, x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3 plus x is equals to 0. So here we have many equations. Okay, so like the equation for number 3 and number 4, we do not have the exact root. Okay, just like the equation number 1 and 2, I believe that if you press the calculator and you will have the exact root, or we can say the value of x or the solution. So now for the case 3 and 4, so where we do not have the exact root, meaning that when you press the calculator, we can't locate or we can't find the value for the roots. Okay, we are going to use another method which is approximate the roots of this equation. So meaning that for the equation 3 and 4. Then we can obtain the root by using number 1 where we have graphical method. Second one, we're searching for the sign of change. And the third one is to use the Newton-Raphson method. So meaning that in here, we are going to focus at this part. Non-linear equation. So by using the graphical method, searching for the sign change and the Newton-Raphson method.